Are you looking for a powerhouse tablet in 2025 that doesn't break the bank? Well, we've got something exciting for you, the 2025 original Pad S24 Ultra tablet PC. This stunning 13-inch Android 14 tablet comes packed with serious performance, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and a massive 1 terabytes of storage. Perfect for gaming, multitasking, streaming, or work on the go. Huge 13-inch HD 4K display for crystal clear visuals. Dual nano SIM card support and 5G connectivity so you're always connected. Advanced GPS positioning for travel and navigation. 48 megapixel front camera for crisp video calls and selfies. 72 megapixel rear camera for high quality photos and videos. An enormous 20,000 milliamp-hour battery that keeps you powered all day long. Available in black and pink, with sizes ranging from 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 512GB, up to 16GB plus 1TB. And the best part, it's on sale right now for just USD 134.08, down from USD 141.14. That's 5% off, an amazing deal for everything this tablet delivers. Want to grab yours today? Click the link in the description below to buy. And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech reviews and deals.